thing. Ever wonder how we can be so sure our food is safe to eat? A huge part of that trust comes from what happens inside food testing labs. But there's a hidden enemy that can throw everything off: cross-contamination. Imagine a tiny, invisible troublemaker moving from a contaminated sample to a clean one. This can lead to disastrous results, and it's why labs have a secret weapon: the unidirectional workflow. So, what exactly is a unidirectional workflow? Think of it like a one-way street. Everything in the lab samples, lab technicians, and even the air moves in a single forward direction. It starts in the cleanest area, where samples are first received and prepared, and moves progressively towards areas where testing and analysis happen. Nothing ever goes backward. This simple but powerful concept is the backbone of preventing cross-contamination. How does contamination even happen? It's easier than you think. A technician could accidentally carry microbes on their lab coat from a contaminated area back to a clean prep station. Airborne particles from a positive sample could drift across the room. Even using the same piece of equipment for different samples without proper cleaning can transfer contaminants. It's a microscopic battle that requires a very strict strategy. When this workflow fails, the consequences are severe. A false positive result, caused by cross-contamination, could trigger a massive, unnecessary product recall. This not only costs a company millions, but also damages its reputation for years. Consumers lose trust, and a perfectly good product gets a bad name, all because of a preventable error inside the lab. So, how do labs build a rock-solid unidirectional workflow? It starts with physical separation. Labs are often divided into distinct zones, from pre-analytical to post-analytical areas, with strict rules about who and what can move between them. They use dedicated equipment for different stages, so there's no chance of carryover. Every sample is meticulously tracked from start to finish, and most importantly, every single person is rigorously trained on these procedures. They understand that one small misstep can have a huge ripple effect. In the end, reliable and accurate food testing isn't just about fancy machines. It's about a disciplined, carefully designed process. The unidirectional workflow ensures that when a lab gives a food product the all clear, we can all have confidence in the food on our plates. It's a commitment to precision that protects both businesses and public health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the science that keeps us safe.